It's not urgent. I'll do it later. I'll get around to my patenting at some point. Try again. It's always urgent, because if you don't file, someone else will. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I hear this a lot. I'm not in a hurry. Yeah, it's not urgent. It is urgent. Wake up. This is the time, because if you don't, it's not about being delayed or, suspended. It's gone. Someone else is going to file that invention in some patent office in the world, and you'll be out of luck, because it's the system that's set up to reward whoever files first. Let's get into some examples here about some of those heroes that you might have heard of that did just that. They found urgency. They took action. Alexander Graham Bell, going way back, okay, got the patent for the telephone because he filed just hours before Elisha Gray. Hours. That could mean seconds in 2025. So do not delay. Take action right when you start, at that moment, when you have the invention fully described in your head, when you can enable it, you can describe it fully, talk with the patent attorney and get it filed. The Wright Brothers, classic example, they rushed to file their flight control patent after hearing rumors that competitors were preparing their own filings. They were lucky. Don't wait. Don't wait to hear rumors or keep a secret and hope that no one else will figure it out. They are going to figure it out. The CRISPR, bringing it forward about 100 years, the CRISPR Gene Editing turned into $1 billion legal battle. It all mattered about who filed the patents first. Okay, this is giant. Do not miss your opportunity. Don't let the time go by. Filing isn't about being ready so much as it's about being first. Now, don't get me wrong. You have to have some level of quality. Don't go there and just throw junk at the USPTO. Work with a patent attorney, get it done right and quickly. But do not delay. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.